So we are here for the NCAA Women's College Lacrosse for Thursday, April 16th, 2026. We had final day of the ACC conference play, as the ACC starts their conference tournaments like a week earlier than the rest of the conference tournaments. Than the non-power conferences. Some have the men's and women's at the same time, or some conferences only sponsor one's across. So. And some don't want both. They want to be able to get both good TV coverage, or because most people won't be thinking about women's ACC as much. Women's Big Ten as much. You think about the men's more. So we have Delaware 19 Central Queens University in Easton conference matchup. Delaware is not affiliated in Easton, but Delaware was in the Coastal Athletic Association for other sports, which used to be the Colonial Athletic Association, now they're coastal because they have more teams farther down, outside the colonial regions, like the colonies, the 13 original colonies. That's the colonial. That's how it's called, a colony. And then that's Kansas State is Conference USA, They weren't in the ASUN, So that makes sense for the affiliates. So affiliate ASUN for one's across as affiliate member. And they went 11-10 for Stetson. Liberty was an ASUN. Before another Conference USA, but Coastal Carolina might have been an ASUN a long time ago, but they're in their semi now. They're 10, Liberty 10 for Coastal Carolina. And then EST played with number 9 Clemson, 16 Central Florida State, number 1 North Carolina, 11 Pepper, number 19 Duke. That was a featured EC Network matchup. In North Carolina, just dominated Duke in the second half. It was 5-3 Duke with the lead in North Carolina. So that number 16 Boston College took on number 4 Syracuse in a featured ESPNU showdown. And number 16 Boston College takes the win 7-4 Syracuse. Number 4 Syracuse. Then number 14 Notre Dame 18-3 over Louisville. Number 20 Virginia 13-2 over Virginia Tech, and number 8 Stanford 17 over California. And then the two featured Big Ten network games, which they always have for Saturdays, which they have on Thursdays. I said Saturdays. On Thursdays, they always have a couple featured women's lacrosse games, and one of them is number 7 Johns Hopkins taking on number 2 Penn State. And in overtime, Johns Hopkins University wins 10-9. In number 11 Michigan, 15-4 over number 3 Maryland. Number 11 Michigan dominated number 3 Maryland.